Yan guys, avocado, egg, lettuce, then bell pepper. Then we have here the beef caldereta. Yan, that's our lunch for today. See guys, ayan na mga ka-reels, mga ka-bads, Vlog TV. Yan, abangan nyo to guys on. Alright. Oh. Again, lunchtime. Aha. Masarap guys. Try nyo to with egg, boiled egg I mean, then avocado with pepper and bell pepper, lettuce, spinach, yan. Then beef caldereta. Let's go guys. Unang kagat ng half sarap. Tikman natin to guys. Una. See guys, yan ano guys, mas ano to guys eh. Okay to guys eh. Tapos caldereta. Egg. Avocado. Sarap guys, promise. Spinach. Bell pepper. Parang sumasang guys. Na? Avocado. Spinach. Egg. With sauce.